Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro. For free, yes, you heard that right, completely free. Whether you're a developer, IT professional, or just love running virtual machines, this guide is for you. VMware Workstation Pro is now completely free for home personal use. Let's dive in. Open your browser and go to the official VMware website. This is the official website, so you're not downloading anything shady. Click on download and you will be taken to the Broadcom website. Next, register a new Broadcom account. VMware Workstation is available for free download, installation, and personal use. However, you must have an active Broadcom support portal account in order to access the download. VMware Workstation Pro is a Type 2 hypervisor that allows you to run multiple virtual machines on your desktop, each with its own OS. Enter your details here. After you are logged into the Broadcom support portal. From there, use the drop-down menu at the top right corner and select VMware Cloud Foundation. Click on My Downloads in the left-hand menu, then type Workstation in the search box to filter the results. Next, select VMware Workstation Pro from the options. I will download the Linux version. You can choose the version you want. If a new version says you do not have permission, go for an older version. fill in the details, and continue. Once downloaded, the installer file will usually have a bundle extension. Navigate to the folder where the bundle file is located and make the installer executable. The installation on Windows is straightforward. No need to even show you how to install on Windows. Run the installer with root privileges. Once the installation is complete, launch VMware Workstation by searching for it in the Applications menu. If prompted, enter your license key or continue with the free version. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and use VMware Workstation Pro for free. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.